Hello you guys, welcome to Cooking with Talicia's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make one of my smoothies. I'm doing a liquid smoothie diet for 6 days, so each day, morning, noon, and night, I'm going to show you my smoothie, but of course I'm running late today, so I'm just going to show you a smoothie. I will call this a breakfast smoothie. What would I name it? I don't know, but hey, I'm going to tell you what all this consists of. 10 grapes, a cup of ground ginger. You find this in your local, not a cup, I'm sorry, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a spoonful of what I found, omega-3 peanut butter, spoonful of honey. I got this raw infused honey. One banana. This is going to be good already, I can tell. Okay, what's next? Greek yogurt, just like 1/3 of Greek yogurt. And a cup of almond milk, vanilla almond milk. Okay. Go ahead and put the top on here. And we're gonna it says it has on mine, it has different things, but you can see what your blenders say, but you can do a milkshake or extract smoothie. Mine have a smoothie button for it, so I'm just going ahead and do the smoothie. You know what I forgot to add? See, this is a bloopers. A scoop of protein. You need your protein. And this is vanilla. You can find this at Walmart, GNC, any kind of health food store. It really don't matter. Okay. See, we all forget, but hey, the power. So let's go ahead and pour this in there. Voila, here you go with your smoothie. Let me taste it. It's very good. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and this is my meal replacement for the day. I will show you another one. It's going to be exciting, like a berry blast or something like that. Thank you for tuning in with Talicia's Kitchen. I'm showing you how to make a healthy, really a meal replacement, because I added protein. So when you add protein to any of these smoothies, this can be a meal for you. So this is one of my liquid diets for today. Thank you all for tuning in with me, and have a blessed day.